So I'm currently behind the wheel of my BMW E92 M3, and I wanted to take some time to showcase a feature that it seems not a lot of E92, E90, E93 BMW M3 owners know about. I've put out a few track point of view videos on my channel, and I see some people commenting about the track maps that I'm able to display up on my dashboard, like this. And like this. And it looks cool, and I completely understand why people immediately react like, how can I do that to my M3? And I'm going to take the time in this video to show you exactly how to do it. So first off, you require a BMW E90, E92, or E93 M3, which is BMW Apps enabled in your iDrive system. So how you can determine that is going down to Connected Drive from the main menu, and it should pop you right here, but if you scroll down, you'll see BMW Apps. Now, that's one hurdle to jump to get this to work. The next and probably biggest hurdle is if you have an Android phone, you are going to have to hit up your closest Apple friend, as you will need to download the BMW M Lap Timer app, which is only available on the Apple Store. I'll put a link in the description to the link to that app. But not only will you need an Apple device, you'll need an Apple device which at minimum runs iOS 8.0, which as of this video will be as old as an iPhone 4S, the 5th generation iPod Touch, and the iPad 2. I will be using the oldest phone for this. I got it from a buddy. It's the iPhone 4S. Once you jump through those hurdles and you have an iPhone device or an Apple device of those three or newer, you've downloaded the M Lap Timer app from the Apple Store. You're going to connect your device to your M3 via the USB cable located in the center console. So I'm going to do so. Then I'm going to click on BMW Apps, and it's going to tell me to start the BMW app on my external device. So I have it downloaded bottom right here. I'm going to push it and give it a moment, and it will kind of sync up. There you go, connected to BMW. You can put your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch device down and back out on the menu, and you will see M Lap Timer is now displayed on your dashboard. So click in on that, and it pops out a menu with 6 different options. So the top one is record. So when you are ready to go on a track, push this and it will begin recording the track outline. Now, there may be some confusion from the videos I've displayed with the track app. It basically gives you the track map after you complete one lap. The first lap, of course, will just be recording the route you take on the track or on a road if you want to record a road situation, but I can only recommend you use this on a track. So once you complete one lap, you return to the starting point, and it will display a track map for you on your dashboard, which is really great for knowing where you are on the track. If it's a track that you've never driven on, you can quick glance, you can see where your dot is on the track, what turns are coming up. But that is how you record on the top. Then you have M view, which is where it's checked right now, basically displaying nice M graphic. Then you have a G-force view, which I will have to start recording to display, but it'll basically show up a circle and showcasing the G-forces of the vehicle. Track view, that will display what the outline that you are making. So if you hit record and you click on track view, this is where you'll get the cool track map that everybody wants. You can also connect it to a GoPro if you wish. And sessions, this basically pulls from the app the list of different sessions or laps, as you could say, that you have recorded. So clicking in there, you can see my VIR times. So I've got a few of them. I think one right here I didn't fully record because it's not the full map. I must have clicked it on the last lap. You've got New Jersey Motorsports Park down here, and these are just the standard track maps that are loaded when you download the app. So these are not me, but these top ones are me, and this is how you can display them. So if you click in, it showcases your top speed, that shows you how the track map will look when you're where you see the red, that red ball basically will follow where you are exactly on the track. So it's a really useful tool. But that's how easy it is to get track map, a track outline, however you want to refer to it, up on your dashboard in your BMW E90, E92, or E93 M3. I hope this video helped you sort that out. Thanks for watching.